Hello guys, this is Yuji's Kitchen and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple and healthy vegetable sauce. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I would also like to hear from you in the comment section below. So join me as I make this lovely sauce. For the ingredients, you'll be needing oil, carrots, or any veggie of your choice, Scotch bonnet peppers, onions, cameroon peppers, salt, stock cubes, and African spinach, popularly known as green leaves in Nigeria. So we're going to start by adding our oil into the pan. For this recipe, I'm using canola oil, which is more healthy because it contains omega-3 fatty acid and it's also rich in vitamin E and K. Now I'm going to add in my chopped onions, saute this for a few minutes to bring out its flavor. Now add your Scotch bonnet peppers. Stir to combine and leave it to fry for a few minutes. Now add in your seasoning and your dry pepper. Stir properly to combine. Add in your chopped carrots. Stir to combine. Please feel free to add any veggie of your choice. You can add green bell peppers, red bell peppers, or whatever veggies you would like to add. Just feel free to add anything you want to your sauce. Finally, I'm going to add in my green leaves. Stir properly to combine. Now I'm going to cover this to simmer for a few minutes. Now our vegetable sauce is ready and it looks so yummy. You can eat this sauce with sweet potatoes, yam or rice. I love it because it goes so well with sweet potatoes. So let me know what you think about the sauce in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.